Okay, like I do in every video, I've been messing with my hair trying to figure out what to do with it, and I'm wasting time. So for all my true friends out there who don't care, and the rest of you who don't care, this is for you, because my hair is going to be as is, because if I keep messing with it, my son's going to wake up and then I can't get my video done. So let's get right in. Hey guys, it's Carol here. Welcome back to my channel. I have some more empties for you today. I love empties, and I have some that I just need to get rid of already. Piling up and I'm running out of room, so I'm going to dig in and let you know what I think about them all. I'm going to go ahead and start with face. Okay. Cetaphil. This is a gentle skin cleanser for the face. It is non-comedogenic, it's fragrance free, and it's dermatologist recommended. So this is really, really great for, you can use this on babies. They even say you can. Mild enough to cleanse a baby's delicate skin. This was recommended to me at least 10 years ago from a friend of mine, because I do have sensitive skin, and then every now and then my eyes get extra sensitive. So she was like, yeah, so-and-so uses this, like a friend of hers did, and she's like, she uses it all over her face and her eyes, and it's fine. And so I started using it. So this has been a repurchase for me for, like I said, at least a decade. It's sensitive enough for my husband because he also has sensitive skin. It does clean, and yeah, I wouldn't recommend it like just to take off your makeup, but it will remove some of it. So I really do like it. I really do like this, and you can get coupons with it and everything. So it's a great drugstore item. I've got a couple of skincare items from the L'Oreal 360 Go 360 Clean line. I love this line of theirs. I think it is a fantastic product. They're super economical in price. I think these are around $4. So these are very good in price. This container alone has lasted me at least a year, if not more, probably more. Yeah, because we're in June now. I really do like it. It is oil-free, dermatologist tested. This is a very gentle exfoliator. They call it their deep exfoliating scrub. It smells like apricot. It's really, really nice. It's not overwhelming to me, but scent is a preference, or scent preferences, you know, are different for all of us. But I really like this because I kind of, you know, I'm kind of tricky when it comes to certain scents and on my body and where I can put it. Yeah, the beads are really fine. They're not like super abrasive, so it's really nice. I do like it. My skin feels really nice and baby soft afterwards. I used this like every other day, and like I said, it lasts forever. It's such a great value, and it's such a great product, so I do recommend this. I love it. I think it's such a great product, and I would, actually I have another one. I do have another one, so I'm working on that one right now. I also have their Go 360 Clean Deep Cream Cleanser. This is also really nice. The only thing I don't like about it, and it's just a personal preference, is the scent. It smells like roses, but it is also oil-free. It is also dermatologist tested. My husband can use it as well. He can use both of these, and they don't irritate his skin, so I do really like this one. I've also tried their green one, and I've also tried their blue bottle, and they're all, I love them all. I'm just blown away by how economical they are in terms of their price, and then what a great product they are. I have here Clinique's All About Eyes. Looks like this. It's like a little salmon colored jelly cream type for your eyes. This has gone bad. I know because the smell is weird, and the reason it's gone bad is because I have a friend, and she had a friend who worked for, I think it was Clinique, and she gave her a bunch of stuff, and my friend at the time wasn't into makeup and all that kind of thing, so she just gave me a bunch of stuff that she had for a while, and so I was like, yeah, just bring it over and I'll just sift through what smells good still and what doesn't. So skincare, you gotta be really careful of if it smells weird or anything liquidy. Any liquid products, if it smells weird, get rid of it. It's not worth it. So, but I actually do have one that I'm working on right now that it hasn't gone bad, and I love it. It's supposed to be allergy tested, 100% fragrance free, and ophthalmologist tested. It's supposed to diminish the look of puffs, circles, shadows, and lines. I don't know if it does all that, but I just really like it because it's really moisturizing. And the one that I have smells like a sweet almond. It smells really good. So it says fragrance free, but I guess maybe it's just the natural scents that come from the ingredients. Let me just move on to hair. All right, I've got this sample here. It is by Nexxus, which I do like Nexxus. It's a drugstore product, and it is their Frizz Defy, Frizz Protection Leave-In Oil Shine Treatment. I really liked this. Doesn't have a scent that I can smell. It's supposed to lock in the essential nourishment and lock out humidity. for all day gorgeous smooth hair. I live in Houston, right by the Gulf of Mexico, and it's very, very humid here. I did really like this product, so this is the little sample I had. Would recommend that. I liked that. Another hair product, I have a Neutrogena shampoo anti-residue formula. I love this. It's around $4 or $5. Awesome value, awesome buy. I love it. It's like a clarifying shampoo, and it really does do the job. It even has an Allure award. This has been, I can't tell you how many times I've repurchased this. I love it, and I need to get a new one. So definitely recommend this to clarify yourself. I clarify my hair every time I wash it, but I don't wash my hair every day because I have very dry hair and stuff like that. So I wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week. So I do use this. I think they mentioned that you do it like once a week or something, but I do it all the time and I love it. But warning, if you do have color treated hair, then be careful with it because I have heard that it can strip your hair of its color. So just be careful of that. Next, I have a makeup item here. This is the CoverGirl and Olay Simply Ageless Corrector, which is the number 230. This comes in a little pot. This lasted me for over a year. I really, really liked it, but let me tell you what, I liked it. Okay, I'm 29. I have very, very, very dark blue and purple discoloration under my eyes. I also have more of a drier type of skin under my eyes. So what I like this for is it is creamy. It does work really nicely with the warmth of our fingertips. This is kind of more of an expensive drugstore item because they range from anywhere $12 to $15. It's not going to 100% cover if you have blue or purple. If you have brown, maybe, because there are some younger girls that I've seen that rave about this and they think it's awesome and things like that. So it just depends on what you're looking for it to do for you. But if you are like me with very translucent skin and have dark under eyes, this is not going to completely conceal them. I have yet to find a concealer that completely conceals all my blue and purple because that's a tough job to do. But I have found things that have done a great job. Like right now I'm using Bye Bye Under Eye from IT Cosmetics, and I really like it for the moisture, and so far it's done the best job concealing, but it doesn't 100% conceal, but I still love it because it's done the best job so far. Let's just get this out of the way. This is my Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar. It's hypoallergenic. I love this. It has a 1/4 of it is moisturizing cream. Really great. Does a great job cleaning. I have used this on my face many times. And it does a great job cleaning without stripping my skin of its moisture. Same thing for my body. So if I do use it for my face, I keep a separate bar exclusive to my face, and then I have one exclusive for my body because I don't want to mix those, you know. You don't know what you got in your body and you don't want to put that on your face, you know what I mean? So yeah, I always repurchase these. They're a great value, recommended by doctors. In fact, I have 2 of my friends that were doctors and they recommended it to me because for sensitive skin and, you know, no irritation, stuff like that. I love it. And I always get the sensitive skin one. I've used the regular bar, but I like to just get the sensitive skin one. All right, here I have Pacifica Natural Skincare Purified Coconut Water Cleansing Wipes. I really, really enjoyed these. Now, not for makeup removing. I wouldn't recommend them if you're looking for a nice makeup removing towelette. But these are natural. They're cruelty-free, 100% vegan. They don't have any sulfates. They don't have any petroleum, parabens, SLS, or phthalates. They have aloe vera, calendula. I loved the smell of them. They smelled really natural, like coconut water. I used them since they weren't good for removing my makeup. I just liked them as either like after I would remove my makeup from my eyes and I would kind of go over and remove that residue, or in the morning to refresh my face. So I really did like these. These are $6. I found some too, even though I love these, and if they were cheaper, I probably would get them again, but I have some other ones that I'm using right now that I'm gonna share with y'all that I really, really like. So I'll share with you those in an upcoming video. Then I have Neutrogena's makeup removing cleansing towelettes. These are great, comes with 25. These I really, really love. They are great for removing makeup. They have a great durability in terms of the strength of the towel. I love these, no complaint. I always buy them. The price is decent, it's about $5, so you can find these anywhere. Love those. This, I love Crest, any Crest mouthwash, because they don't have alcohol and they taste really good, and the flavor, I feel like it keeps my mouth fresh all day or all night, so I think these are great for that. Can't really attest to if they do any whitening because I don't really see a difference with that. And that's it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. If you have any video requests, then just leave those in the comments below, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!